Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we will guide you through. If you are encountering a payment declined error in the App Store on your iPhone or Mac, then simply follow these steps to troubleshoot and fix this issue. So let's get started. Firstly, go to your App Store and tap on the profile icon available in the top right corner of your screen. Once you tap on your profile picture, tap on your name at the top. Once you tap on your name, you'll be prompted to enter your password or Face ID. Now tap on the Manage Purchase option available there. Now ensure your payment method is correct and there are no expired cards or issues with your billing addresses. If you are using a credit card, check if the card has sufficient fund or is not expired. Or simply tap Add Payment Method to add a new credit card, PayPal account, or other payment method, and make sure the information matches the billing details linked to your Apple ID. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe. And thank you so much for watching.